Hey beautiful people of YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nick, and as you have already read in the title, Turdbomb is finished. So, yesterday I finished up getting the bike completely reassembled, and today I went out and got some video of Turdbomb out and about, riding around the city. It is cold today. Yesterday was a beautiful 65-degree day. Today was 42 degrees. But I went out, did it for you guys, because I love you guys, and I am so excited to share this bike with you. So, rather than me continuing to ramble, we're going to dive in. We've got some time-lapse of the reassembly, and then I've got the reveal of the bike. I am so excited to share this with you guys. I love each and every one of you. This is possible because of all of you. So go ahead, bang that like button, leave me a comment. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook and on Instagram. Again, I love you all. Thanks, guys. Let's hop into it.